Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. Thank you very much for coming back today. Thank you very much for spending some time with me and taking the time out of your busy schedule to visit little old me. I greatly appreciate it. Today we have this. It is kind of big. I'm guessing they just wrapped it very well. Uh-oh. This is from eBay, and I got this off of the seller from eBay, and wow, this is going to take me a little while to open it. Whew, that was tiring. I had to hurt my hands. Okay, so now I got to try to open. See, so it came like that. Little hole there, peephole there, little peephole there, and this bag was highly influenced by Jackie from Jack's Bag Attack. She revealed one of these bags, and I just fell in love with the bag, the quality, the type of leather. And I didn't know that Dooney and Burke had did it, and it was an Epi leather bag. I only thought like Louis Vuitton had Epi leather, so I wanted this bag, so I went looking for one on eBay, and I found one. There were several of them, but I settled on this one because the price was right, and I like the silhouette and everything. Oh my goodness! I like it when they look so much better than the picture. So this seller only wanted $40 for this, so we agreed on the price of $40. The shipping was $11 though, and tax was $4.21, so she was $55.21. But oh my goodness, look at that. So the leather, the Epi leather, I was trying to figure out which is the front or the back. I think this is the front because it has the Dooney and Burke since 1975 on here. It has the Vaqueta leather on here. So here's the front. She's a great top handle. So here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. No feet. Here's the top. The top view. And there's a zipper. In the front here, I don't know if y'all notice, I just wanted to point out that how it has a tuck in there on the back and the front, which that was one of the things I liked about this purse. It has a front pocket. I love pockets. I use my pockets. So let's see, my phone definitely can stand up in there. Definitely very much room. If I put it on the side, oh, this would be great because if I put it on the side, then it'll be easy to take it out and make its own little pockets there. And of course it'll fit long ways. Ooh, the magnet, it's a magnet, and it's pretty strong magnet. You hear that? It has the red lining there. Then it has the back zipper over here. And actually it has enough room for, definitely you can put the phone there long ways. And I might be able to put it up, that's okay. And then I like to zip them like that so then they won't fall out. But it also has the red lining on that pocket. This has the type of, I found these so attractive. The shapes of this is just unusual. See how it is on the back? It is in great condition. The leather is in great condition. It has the rings here that connects them together. So it's not, well, I guess it is detachable. You could take that off. So I could turn it into a crossbody, but or I could just leave this like that and get another strap for it. This one that I tell you what they were calling it is Dooney Burke Black Epi Leather Continental Large Shoulder Bag, Purse EUC. Don't know what that means. They put a little bit of stuff in on the inside for me. It has a vachetta leather key holder. Cute, and that's in great shape. It has the red lining in there. Oh, can you see? There we go. Red lining. It has the Dooney set up. Yep, it has a back zipper here, and the back zipper. Does it work? Yes, it does work. In good condition. I just zipped it up. Let me unzip it now. She has also the Dooney Burke label here on the inside. She has the label, because now you know I'm only buying them with labels. And here's the label here, Dooney Burke label. It does not say where it was made, so it's not too old. And then in the front it has the two pockets, the one that's the bigger one and the smaller one. And the inside is just very clean, very, very clean. She's in great shape, great shape. So she's not a crossbody bag, but she is definitely a great shoulder bag. And you know, I can definitely maybe easy top handle bag to use. And the shoulder bag, you know, she goes on pretty easy. Let me see if I can. No, there's no making this longer. But I might be able to do my little D-ring hacks on that if I need to. But I don't know if I pointed this out, the zipper pull is also made of vachetta. She is gorgeous. I was also, it was Melissa from Melissa's Corner. She showed in her video, Power Color video, she had a red epi leather tote bag, and it's a really cool silhouette shape. I would love to have one of those. She said that the leather just wears very, very well, and it's a very durable leather. So it's just, can you see the I guess it has a little striping in there, but this is just in fabulous condition. So a total of $55.21. I mean, my bid was $40, so I paid $40. The rest is tax and shipping. I mean, fabulous. You cannot beat that. You can't get a brand new purse nowadays at that price. I mean, this is just great shape, an awesome shape, fabulous shape. I can't wait to use this one. Thank you very much once again for coming by and watching what I'm doing over here, and hope you come back around for the next one. Love y'all. Bye.